Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here. राज्य पात्रता परीक्षा प्रकोष्ठ मध्य प्रदेश लोक सेवा आयोग. Dear friend, this is the question paper of SET 2018 with answers. So dear friends, these are some questions with answers. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार की वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्क्स बाय चाउसर इज ऑफन कॉल्ड अ नॉवेल इन वर्स. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ट्रायलस एंड क्रिसाइड. आंसर सी. Second question is life is but a walking shadow, a poor player that struts and frets his hour upon the stage and then is heard no more is a tale told by an idiot full of sound and fury signifying nothing. The above words are uttered by character in Macbeth. So dear friends, answer is given. Now question number 3. According to Francis Bacon, what makes a ready man? So the correct answer is conference. Daniel Dante has used option C terza rima in Divine Comedy. Which one of the following written in blank verse? So the correct answer is Dryden, All for Love. Next question is question number 6. Which of the following exemplifies the Puritan attack on poetry? So the correct answer is Stephen Goshen School of Abuse. Question number 7. Richardson Clarissa falls in the category of epistolary novel. Which among the following is not a tragic comedy? So the correct answer of this one is the School of Scandal. Option D is the correct answer. Yes, answer D. Lyrical ballads published in. So the correct answer is option B, 1798. Which woman novelist wrote Frankenstein in 1818? So the correct answer is Mary Shelley. Who among the following is not a graveyard poet? So the correct answer is Alexander Pope. बी बी लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Now question number 12. D.H. Lawrence Cocksure Woman and Monsieur Man. The anti-feminist work is as an example of essay. The correct answer is an argumentative essay. Question number 13. Which poem of Sylvia Plath describe the condition of a pregnant woman? The correct answer is Metaphors. Whose poems heralded the Celtic revival in the 18th century? So these four options is given and the correct answer is James Macpherson. Nation and narration is written by option B, Homi Bhabha. Question number 16. Which of the following is a dramatic poem written by John Milton? The correct answer is Samson Agonistes. Who is the author of a narrative poem A Lover's Complaint, Venus and Adonis, and the Rape of Lucrece? So these four options, the correct answer is Shakespeare. Now question number 18. Which of the following play was written by Volsoyinka to commemorate the independence of Nigeria? The correct answer is Dance of the Forest. Which literary process etymologically means carrying across? The correct answer is translation. Betty Friedan wrote the text entitled as. The correct answer is A Room of One's Own. Now question number 21. Who is asserted but it thought corrupt language? Language can also corrupt thoughts while examine the politics of language. George Orwell. R. N. Tagore's Gora is a novel on the theme of East-West encounter. Nora is character immortalized by. Question number 23. Nora is a character immortalized by these four options. The correct answer is option B, Henrik Ibsen. Question number 24. Which one of the following was not involved in the production of the influential postmodern text Learning from Las Vegas? The correct answer is option A, Harold Bloom. Who contributed to Indian poetry in English with Burke Like to India, My Native Land, and the Fakir of Jangira. The correct answer is this question is answer B यानी कि हेनरी डेरोजियो. Question number 26. According to Dash, one is not born but rather becomes a woman. Correct answer is Simon D. Beaubier. Question number 27. Gramsci concept that a social class achieves a predominant influence and power not by direct and over means but by succeeding in a making. So the correct answer is option B, hegemony. Who advanced the concept of negative capability? सो टी एस इलियट, गौथे बायरन, इनमें से कोई भी करेक्ट आंसर नहीं है. द करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन डी, कीट. Who created Lady Burfram, Isabella Thorpe, and Miss Jennings as a fictional character? So the correct answer is Jane Austen. Which Indian author's first book is a collection of poems published in 1980 as a mapping? The correct answer is Bikram Seth. With great German classicist and Nobel laureate wrote a theory of Rome? So these four options, the correct answer is option C. Option C, Theodore Mommsen. Question number 32. Leopold Senghor, M. Caesar, and Franz Fanon are associated with negritude. Option C is correct answer. Question number 33. The Grass is Singing and the Golden Notebook are the famous work of Doris Lessing, who wrote Grapes of Wrath. The correct answer is option D, John Steinbeck. Question number 35. Who among the following poets said about Emerson that he had a Greek head on right Yankee shoulders? So Lowell said. Swift Tale, A Tale of a Tub, and The Battle of Books were published in 1704. In linguistics, what is understood by the register? So the correct answer is language specifically denigrate for the subject situation in deals with. Option C. Eliot's employed dissolution of sensibility in his essay on the metaphysical poets. Which one of the following is not written by Rohinton Mystery? Calcutta Chromosome. Who wrote the word, the text, and the critic? So the correct answer of this one is option B, Edward Said. Now question number 41. Whose book is a poetry on Kashmir in English is titled A Country Without a Post Office? Agha Sahid Ali. Charan Das Chor is the most famous play of a theatre artist. The correct answer is Habib Tanvir. Who coined the term theatre of absurd? Who coined the term theatre of the absurd? So the correct answer is option D, Esalen. Question 44. The Weave of My Life is an auto narrative of. correct answer is Urmila Pawar. Who is the editor of Poisoned Bread? The correct answer is Arjun Dangle. Question number 46. Who is the writer of famous Indian novel Sanskara? The correct answer is U.R. Anantha Murthy. Poet of the Underworld is an anthology of poems of Namdev Dhashal. Question number 48. In which of the following novels does Belutha appears as an important character? Correct answer is option B, the god of small things. Who among the following is a famous character created by Mulk Raj Anand? So Bhakha. Question number 50. Which among the following is an undelivered speech and provides ideological framework for poets, writers, and scholars on the issue of caste? Correct answer is Annihilation of Caste. Question number 51. Towards an aesthetic of Dalit literature by Sarang Kumar Lambel is translated from the Marathi by. So the correct answer is option A, Kanthapura. Poet of the Underworld. Question number 48. In which following novel Belonta appears as an important character? The answer is option B, the god of small thing. Now question number 49. Who among the following is a famous character created by Mulk Raj Anand? Bhakha. Question number 50 हो गया 60 51. Towards an aesthetic of Dalit literature by Saran Kumar Limbable is translated by. So the correct answer is option A, Alok Mukherjee. Now question number 52. Karakku is a title of Bama's book which means palmia leaves which are like double-edged sword. Option A. Question number 53. The auto narrative of Baby Kambale which is translated from the Marathi by Maya Pandit is option A, Prisons Be Broke. Question number 54. Who is referred as an upstart crow beautified with our feathers? So the correct answer is option B. Option B यानी कि Shakespeare. Now question number 55. Dryden's essay on dramatic poesy can be described as a critical treatise on dramatic art developed through dialogues. Which one of the following words appears in the Ancient Mariner? The correct answer is an albatross. Generally, women are portrayed by Tennyson as a answer A and gentle answer A B C D. So the correct answer is D, gentle and refined. Who is killed by Tess in an emotional fury in a novel by Thomas Hardy? The correct answer is Alec. Which one of the following plays provides a hint for the title of Aldous Huxley novel Brave New World? The correct answer is Macbeth. Mr. and Mrs. Morrel are the major character in D.H. Lawrence novel Sons and Lover. Option A is correct answer. Question number 61. G.B. Shah Arms and Men deals with one of the following aspects. The correct answer is bar and heroism. Mayfair Lady is a film version of one of the following plays of G.B. Shah. The correct answer is Pygmalion. T.S. Eliot's The Best Land is dedicated to Ezra Pound. Option C. Virtue Rewarded is the subtitle of one of the following novel Pamela. She Stops to Conquer by Goldsmith is best described as a comedy. Sir Walter Scott, The Lady of Last Minstrel, is a ballad. Most of the novels of Jane Austen are domestic novels. Who is known for his anthology The Leaves of Grass? So, option A, Walt Whitman. Ernest Hemingway was awarded the Nobel Prize for his novel The Old Man and the Sea. Who is known for writing The Sound and the Fury? Faulkner Santiago is a protagonist in which one of the famous work below? Option D, The Old Man and the Sea. 72. Man Without Woman is a collection of American short stories. Mrs. Militancy is the title of an anthology of poems by Meena Kandasamy. O Captain, My Captain is an elegy on the death of Abraham Lincoln. Which of the following is incorrectly matched? Arvind Malagatti, historian, is wrong. Incorrectly matched, and all are correct. Hyperbole can be described as an extravagant exaggeration. Emily Bronte novel Wuthering Heights was published in. The correct answer is option A, 1847. Now question number 78. Who is the writer of the novel The Scarlet Letter? The correct answer is Nathaniel Hawthorne. The statement poverty is a parent of revolution and crime is made by Aristotle. Who is the pioneer of the new criticism? The correct answer is option A, T.S. Eliot. North, Northrop Frye has given a theory of archetypal criticism in a book, A Anatomy of Criticism. Who introduced theory of deconstruction in the late 1960s? Jacques Derrida. The interpretation of dreams is a seminal work in the field of psychoanalysis, which is written by Jacques Lacan, Richard Sigmund Freud, and Adler. So the correct answer is Sigmund Freud. Identify the writer who says, take everything you like seriously except yourself. Correct answer is Rudyard Kipling. Who among the following is a leading figure of the theatre of absurd? Samuel Beckett. Identify a French poet, playwright, and novelist who was the illegitimate son of the Persian prostitute and become orphan a few months after his birth. The correct answer is option C, Jean Genet. What kind of solution is suggested by Doris Lessing in her African stories to the problem of the black people who were subjected to the powerful white man? The correct answer is the application of Marxist doctrine. Ralph Waldo Emerson is the pioneer of a literary movement in America which is known as Transcendentalism. Identify an American writer belonging to the Gothic school who is called the pioneer of the modern detective story. The correct answer is Edgar Allan Poe, who is the author of The Death of the Author. The correct answer is Roland Barthes. Choose a name of the person who made the following statement. Poetry is interpretative by having natural music in it and by having moral profundity. Correct answer is Arnold. Choose a partisan writer who was also an editor of the Illustrated Weekly of India. Khushwant Singh. Who among the following is identified with talkative man? Option B, R.K. Narayan. Volpone is a play written by Ben Jonson. In which country was Thomas Norton born? England. Marlowe is a protagonist of Joseph Conrad novel Heart of Darkness. The play Justice is by John Galsworthy, is a satire on the system of legal trial. And one of the following Indian English poet is known as a confessional poet, Kamla Das, who said, "From error to error, one discovers the entire truth." The correct answer is Sigmund Freud. And dear friends, this is the last question. J.M. Sinjay, the Riders to the Sea is. So the correct answer is answer A. A one act play. So dear friends, these are some questions of सेट 2018. इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन आप पढ़ करके आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि किस प्रकार से हैं. तो आई होप कि आपको दीज क्वेश्चन विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल टू यू. इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश. यदि आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. In this way you can practice. Yes, so this is the starting.